Progress report. Earlier you've seen where they've started to work on the swim platform. You saw the underneath side where they had gutted out everything and then started to install the different new core, the new modern foam core, not wood, and glassed that all in. Now they have flipped it over and working on the top side, and you can see where they're trying to smooth out all of the cracks and the bruises from the fiberglass. And you can see this here, this epoxy putty here, and then you can see these grooves or these holes where they've opened those up. They're not just cute, they are functional. In case the bow of the boat rises up high on a wave, and then of course the stern of the boat goes down into the water, that's a hydraulic release to let some of the water come out through here so it doesn't break the swim platform off the stern of the boat. You've seen me waving my hand around. I don't want to touch anything because you can see all of those fiberglass strands, and if you've ever been around fiberglass and you touch this stuff, you'll be itching for a week. That's why I don't want to touch it. Anyway, we've got excellent progress going here. You can see where they've cut them out. They've rounded off the edges right here, put the epoxy resin in place. They'll grind off all of those old hairs, smooth it all down, and then they'll finish it off with a good coat of paint. I'm talking about a marine spray paint, not rolled on or brushed on, but a marine spray paint. And this will be a brand new, perfect swim platform to go back onto the boat. So if you want to do any type of fiberglass work and you need an expert, a good old boy, ask Captain Chris and I will introduce you to Roger.